Why am I the best brand manager in the world? I wasn't always. I used to think that time and budget ran my life, until I found the secret sauce. Now my brand's posts get 10 times more engagement than most other brands. Oh look, I just got 50 more likes. Speaking of likes, how do you like my new video? Isn't that a sexy brew? You never guessed that it was 1/3 of what I used to pay. And with all those leftover marketing dollars, I was able to produce double the content for half the price. It's all so simple, even a baby could do it. I want you to think I do it myself, but I get some help coming up with great ideas. Oh well, at least they let me take all the credit. Delicious. Yep, that's right, I'm the world's best brand manager. So, how did I become the world's best brand manager? It was easy. I called THP. THP, double your content at half the price.